Lab Junction Digital pH meter model LJ131M with micro pH combination electrode in glass body. pH meter has many applications in water analysis, agricultures, Ayurvedas, pharmaceuticals, chemical industries, cement industries. Most of the industries will require pH parameter in lab testing. With this digital pH meter, we supplied accessories, pH buffer solution bottles 7 pH and 4 pH with capsules, powder 7 pH and 4 pH. For preparing these pH buffer solution, add 100 ml distilled water and insert only powder of this capsule, not inserting the whole capsule in the 100 ml distilled water. After that, addition, please stay for 4 hours. After 4 hours, your pH buffers 7 pH and 4 pH are ready for use. After using these buffers, please keep these buffers less than 25 degree in a fridge for long life. pH electrode micro type, screwdriver for calibration of pH meter for erratic and disturbing conditions. You have to again recalibrate the pH meter by using pH standard buffers. Nine-volt battery, instruction manual, with 1 year warranty card and necessary instructions for using this digital pH meter, portable or handheld type. Now, how to use this pH meter? First, you have to insert battery like this. And close this lid. Now, first set your temperature to 25 like this. Lab Junction provides factory calibrating instruments. So, in new conditions, no need to calibrate. This is our pH electrode. With BNC pin. This is micro rod. Like this. You have to electrode also to dip in a test tube also like this. You take your sample in small test tube. You have to insert like also in this. Now, if you want to calibrate this instrument, how to calibrate this? First, you have to connect BNC socket like this. You have to like this. You have to push, rotate. This is locked. Again, I am repeating this step. You have to push like push, rotate. Now this is locked. This is locked. For calibration, you have to first take 7 pH buffer solution like this. You have to dip in that. Please wait for some time. This is distilled water for cleaning pH electrode. Some stir this, then pH meter gives some fast response, like 7 is set already. Now I am refreshing pH electrode in distilled water like this, touch like this. Now replace this This is 4 pH. I am inserting in this. It means my electrode is not cleaned properly. I am cleaning again. Inserting again this in 4 pH. Suppose I am to have to reset again for pH. Open this compartment. There are two trim pots. First one is 4 pH. You have to set from screwdriver this screw of 4 pH for pH setting, and for 7 pH you have to set this trim pot screw for 7 pH. Suppose my 4 pH not counts. I am setting like this from 4. Now I am reaching after calibration with the help of standard pH buffers 7 pH and 4 pH. Now please give time to reach up to 7 pH. For fast result, please stir pH electrode in the buffer. Now it reached up to 7. Now I am cross checking again for pH. I am refreshing pH electrode again with the help of tissue paper. Now I am taking 4 pH buffer solution like this. Please stir gently for achieving fast result. Now it reaches up to 4 pH. And this way you have to calibrate digital pH meter, portable or handheld type. Now it automatically reaches to 4 pH in this way. Now I am testing some sample from this pH meter. This is all about the now I am dipping pH electrode in the hard water sample. Now its pH value is 7.68 of hard water. For drinking water, pH value is 6.5 pH to 8.6 pH. It varies in different areas. This is the approximate range, 6.5 pH to 8.6 pH in mostly recent areas. Now this is the testing and calibration of this digital pH meter model LG131M. In this way you have to test this. This is the complete installation and demonstration of digital pH meter, portable or handheld type. Thanks.